Welcome to the Copeland mobile video series. This video will cover the search functionality. To benefit from this video, you must have downloaded the Copeland mobile app to your cell phone. If not, you need to visit your app store, enter Copeland mobile in the search engine, select Copeland mobile, then download Copeland mobile to your cell phone or view the Copeland mobile app download video below. Let's begin. Scan or enter a compressor serial, model, or part number. The scanning function requires your phone to have an active camera. If you type in a number, note the quick drop-down menu has several numbers to select from. Next, tap on the affected model and refrigerant. Then, select Summary from the drop-down list. Note the ability to share the screenshot by tapping Share at the bottom of the screen. In the upper right-hand corner, tap the Upload symbol to decide how you want to share the information. After you share the information, tap Done to get back to the summary page. In the upper left-hand corner, tap the three dashes to return to the drop-down list and select a different subject, or in the upper right-hand corner, tap the house symbol to return to search screen to start a new search. Thank you for viewing this video. Please click like and subscribe to the Copeland Mobile video series.